What's up, gang? It's your girl Jack from Zoladonsfreshmarket. Today we're going to make some fresh pineapple mango salsa. Today is Cinco de Mayo here in Michigan where I am at. I got some tropical gold pineapple in the can, or you can use fresh pineapple. I got some red onion, I got some mangoes, some lemon, some lime, some red bell pepper, some garlic, and some fresh cilantro. So I'll be back in the next clip to show you how I put this all together. It's your girl Jack from Zoladonsfreshmarket. Please like, share, and subscribe to the channel for fresh ideas. Happy Cinco de Mayo, and I'll catch y'all in the next clip when we put it all together. Okay, gang, got everything chopped up. Got the 2 mango flesh chopped up, the lemon sliced in half. We're gonna juice those, the cilantro, and the 2 limes. Got my can open, and we got our honey. So let's get it all put together. All right, gang, we got everything cut up in the bowl. We got our pineapples, we got our mangoes at the bottom, the red bell pepper, cilantro, our red onion. We got a little garlic in there. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead, give this a nice mix around in our bowl. Might need to get a bigger bowl, y'all. Hold on one second. All right, gang, let's transfer this over to a bigger bowl. Making a slight mess, but we'll clean it up. It's all good. Okay. All right, gang, so now we got it in a bigger bowl here. Y'all can see. Just give that a mix around. I got our lime juice here, fresh squeezed lime juice. Give that a smidget in there. Just give that a stir around, y'all. And that's your salsa. You can add more cilantro. I'm probably going to add some more cilantro. I love cilantro. But for now, it is looking good. It is smelling good. You don't have to do mango and pineapple. You can do just mango by itself. But when you do them together, y'all, just that flavor comes together so well. Let me get a spoon. Alright, so grab the spoon. I'm going to scrape that cilantro off the spatula because we want all of our cilantro. Alright. Alright, gang. So that is what we're looking like for our mango salsa. Oh, that tastes so good. That's our salsa. Okay. I need a lid. So, yeah. Thanks for watching our video today. That garbage out of the way. This is our mango salsa. It's your girl Jack from Zoladonsfreshmarket. And today, y'all, I'll show y'all in another clip on how I'm going to pair this salsa up with some Atlantic salmon I got here and some white rice. And then I shucked some fresh corn here that I'm going to cook up as well to make some street corn. And I'm going to put this fresh pineapple mango salsa on top of my street corn and on top of my salmon. It's your girl Jack from Zoladonsfreshmarket. I'll catch y'all in the next video. Bye. Happy Cinco de Mayo, gang. This is our lineup. We got a few different kinds of Doritos. We got some white jasmine rice, sour cream. Got some guacamole. Got the salmon. Got some fresh fried corn. We got some hot taco sauce there. We got some cojita. We got some fresh pineapple mango salsa, of which you'll see the recipe I put together, y'all. Then we got a little taco sauce, some green sauce, and a little queso. And that's our Cinco de Mayo. Hope you enjoy.